how to create an invoice in Square. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create an invoice in Square. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Square app or go to your Square dashboard. Over here, select invoices from the navigation panel. After that, tap create invoice. Then add your customer's name and email address. If you have customers stored in your Square customer directory, you can simply choose from the existing list and tap Add to Invoice. Next, add an item by selecting it from your item library. Adjust the quantity as needed. After that, you can add invoice details or even include a customized message. Then preview the invoice to see how it will appear to your client. Over here, you can also customize the look of your invoice by changing the color and logo from accounts and settings in your Square dashboard. Once you are ready, tap Send. Once your client receives the invoice in their email, they can pay using any supported credit or debit card or even in person. After the payment is completed, both you and your client will receive a confirmation email. So that's how you can create an invoice in Square. That's all for this video.